Hello students, we are in quantitative theory of money. The last class we finished cash balance approach of Cambridge equations. So we have seen that there are various theories regarding value of money. Under that, it's called quantitative theory of money. We studied cash transaction version or Fisher's version of quantitative theory of money. And then in the last class, we studied cash balance approach or Cambridge equations. Cambridge economics, various economics, Cambridge economics give their own equations regarding quantitative theory of money. So, equations regarding demand for money. So, Fisher's theory gave importance to supply of money, which consider uh, medium of exchange function of money, right? In cash balance approach or Cambridge economics gave importance to demand for money, which is based on store of value function of money. Store of value function of money, right? So here we can say uh, after studying cash balance approach, we can say Professor James Keynes, modern economist, in the year 1936, he published his famous book, General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money. In this book, he made a restate, which shifted emphasis from the classical quantitative theory of money to cash balance approach. Okay, so ಈ quantitative theory of moneyಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಸ್ವರೂಪವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಿಶ್ ಯಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇನ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ we can say in altogether new approach was developed by Professor Milton Friedman, who belongs to Chicago School of Economics or Chicago University. He made a restatement of quantitative theory of money. How to make a restatement? In 1933, he published his famous book, The Quantitative Theory of Money, a restatement. So, for this quantitative theory, he made a systematic restatement of quantitative theory of money. Okay, so in the year 1933, he started, we can say, in the year 1956, actually, 1956, he developed his famous book. It's called The Quantitative Theory of Money, a Restatement. So, in this book, he developed the quantitative theory. So, Professor Milton Friedman brought a monetary revolution. So, in the year 1976, actually, he awarded Nobel Prize for his contribution in the field of economics. ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಗಣನೀಯ ಸೇವೆಗಾಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡುಗೆಗಳು ನೀಡಿರುವುದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೊಬೆಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 1976 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಮಿಲ್ಟನ್ ಫ್ರೀಡ್ಮನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಹಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಎ ರೀಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಥಿಯರಿ. ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಥಿಯರಿಗೊಂದು ಸ್ವರೂಪವನ್ನು ಹೊಸ ಸ್ವರೂಪವನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಮಿಲ್ಟನ್ ಫ್ರೀಡ್ಮನ್ ತಂದುಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಲ್ಟನ್ ಫ್ರೀಡ್ಮನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ the demand for money, we can say. So he consider money is an asset. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೂಡ್ ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೂಡ್ ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಯಾವುದು ಮನಿ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೂಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಮಿಲ್ಟನ್ ಫ್ರೀಡ್ಮನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಥಿಯರಿ. ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ capital. Okay, so you know about capital. So demand for money according to Professor Friedman is a demand for capital or demand for any other capital goods. Okay, so it's a part of wealth theory or a part of capital. Money is a part of capital. So next we must discuss about determinants of demand for money. There are certain determinants like total wealth, division of wealth between human and non-human, and expected returns to money. So other variables. So next we pass on to concept of permanent income. So regarding this, before studying this, that is regarding the concept of permanent income. And see, remember there are four important components like see, money can be held in different forms, in the form of money, in the form of bonds, equities, physical goods. So human capital, all these aspects we are going to discuss. So before that, say students, this is just an introduction regarding model this restatement of quantitative theory of money. So I think I stopped notes somewhere about Fisher's equation. Fisher's theory notes there. So ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ after this video there is some notes that I'll try to give. So you should write it in your notebook regarding Fisher's theory, regarding cash balance approach. I'll give you the notes. You must try to write it and not only write it, but also you should study these topics. So, and also, I think you have some time to write an assignment that is from out of syllabus. Let's give an assignment. You should write it, okay, and you can check only after coming to college. Okay, so I'll give you one topic for assignment. You can uh, write down. Okay, so what else? So, how are you? Are you following the classes or not? Or simply keeping quiet? Just to study, just write down. And also, maybe after the exams and all, you are going to write an exam. So, simply, I tell you, there are certain questions from this topic with regard, like write a note on value of money. I told you in last class about Fisher's equation for 16 marks. Explain Fisher's equation or quantity theory or cash transaction version of quantity theory of money. And also regarding cash balance approach or Cambridge equations, explain all various Cambridge equations in for 8 marks. And again for 16 marks, question may be asked, critically explain Cambridge equation. So next we can say regarding restatement of quantity theory of money. For 8 or 16 marks, question may be asked. So let us discuss in next class in detail regarding modern theory of money or Milton Friedman's restatement of quantity theory. Okay, so read well. I wish you. Uh, it means you must take sufficient time to go through the lesson and also try to write down in your notebook and read. Okay, so thank you then. Take care. Let's meet in next class regarding Milton Friedman's restatement of quantity theory. Okay.